Hi, my name is Brett Ihara, and unfortunately my partner Anthony isn't able to come today, but we're working on some visualizations for WattDepot. One of the things is, so the overview of our project is basically we wanted to really visualize and see on spot like how much energy is being generated, or not generated, but you consumed how much, like when the sensors were sending data to the server. And so basically we have, in our project, we have different representations of states, and as you can see the other parts on the list. So there's a couple of related work, and this one by GE, you have the power usage or power generation of a windmill, and over there you have the UK's the resources needed are used to generate their power, and what percentage of the power it is. And here we have like a map of the US and how the electrical grid connects together, and then on the right we have basically heat. I think that's a heat map, but when I also looked at that one, that they also show electrical usage for the current for like a city block, and it's all color coded. So a current project status, I'm able to get the sensors now, the sensor animation to scale based upon the context. So whether we implement this in a residential area or here at UH, the visualization, the sensors will scale to the context. Like the other thing is generation versus consumption. This is basically it's just a color-coded scheme where green is energy generation versus red as energy usage, and in between like orange and yellow is more of not using so much energy. And compared to its context. Okay. And lastly, we were able to get Google Maps integrated, so now we could zoom and drag the animation. So potentially we could see more fine-grained details of the map, or eliminate our current view. Let me jump to the actual answer. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, so basically each of our sensors right now, they just tell us when they're sending data, and again you can see the color coding for the energy usage, and I guess the scaling part is the one that would be most interesting. So basically then here we can scale with Google Maps, and it'll limit the view of the map, and we could drag around. And so that's basically what we'll be doing. Okay, let's go back to the presentation. Okay. So the goals for the pilot project is WattDepot integration. Right now it's just using some static values to animate, but within the next week we're going to commit our code for our mock-up sensors in WattDepot. And also the last thing that would be really integral to seeing the energy generation would be tooltips. And so again, going along with the WattDepot integration, we'll have tooltips. You'll be able to hover over the sensors and see the information for that sensor. And maybe goals for the future, maybe some kind of building implementation, or going actually down to the appliance. So it's right now the current project is it's scalable so that both these implementations shouldn't take too long to implement. It's just, I guess you could even make virtualized sensors in WattDepot, right? Because I believe that's what you can do. You guys have any questions?
All right, thank you very much.